Across the galaxy, astronomers are finding something impossible. Planets soaked in water, orbiting so close to their stars that every drop should have burned away. Now, new research in nature flips old theories upside down. These worlds might be making their own water. Under pressures 10,000 times stronger than Earth's atmosphere, their rocky cores melt into fiery oceans of magma. Inside, oxygen from the molten rock binds with hydrogen gas, forging water in staggering amounts. Each of these sub-Neptune planets becomes a self-sustaining water factory, transforming from hydrogen-rich worlds into glittering, ocean-covered ones. And that means water, and maybe life, could exist far closer to stars than we ever imagined. Perhaps the question isn't where water comes from, but how many ways the universe has learned to make it. For the complete news, visit our website. Support us by following and sharing.